All right, I picked up a buck converter, 24 to 12 volt power converter here. The brand is BIRITALO. I was going to try to pronounce it, but I'll pass. So they do market here, 24 volt to 12 volt, 10 amp is the rating, and I guess the past quality control, so that's good, and good to know. And I'm already suspecting that this is not going to work for what I was planning to do. It does say here it's recommended for cart scooters, golf carts, that kind of thing. I was thinking this might be a lot smaller, and I'd use it on 3D printer application to convert some of my 24 volt printers to running some 12 volt lights, things like that. And this is going to be way too big for that application, but I can probably figure out something to do. Interestingly, very little insulation cutoff on these wires, so maybe they're intended to be done with some sort of crimp converter connector or something like that. Normally I use wire nuts, and you need a lot more insulation exposed than that. And there are no instructions, so I guess it's kind of assuming you know how to use this. So I'm going to have to look up and see. Oh, there we are. So there's the instructions right on the back. Sorry. So here's the 24 volt input plus and minus. There's your 12 volt output. So let me throw a power supply on there, get my meter, and see what I read. All right, so I am set up to test the output voltage here on the converter. So 12 plus minus, obviously not going to be pushing anywhere near the 10 amps maximum. So this is a nice heavy duty gauge and big heat sink on there. I'm just going to test it with a teeny tiny little doodad here, 24.1 volts. And 20, not 20, can't even read, 12.31. Sorry, getting dyslexic. 12.31. So let's see if I push up a little more than the 24. 24.4 is all I can put out on this little supply. If I even drop down, 1918, still giving me 12.31. So it did start to dip there. I'm hitting now 15 volts. It's struggling. So, but understandable. So very, very, very cool. So nice regulator to have a nice guaranteed 12 volts. So 12.31 is what I'm seeing on my meter here. And obviously I'm not going to feel any heat with this kind of little bit of arrangement, but way more than what I was intending for. And it's got mounting holes on here, so you can mount it there. So nice solid piece of equipment. Hope that is a helpful look for you. Have a great day. Take care.